latest guide to simple and easy cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chickpea potato and tomato curry. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 cans of chickpeas which I have rinsed and drained, 4 medium potatoes which I have peeled and cut into small pieces and soaked in some water, 3 to 4 cups of hot water, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 medium onion cut into small pieces, salt to taste, 1 large chili cut into small pieces, or you can use chili powder if you like, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 2 sprigs of curry leaves which I have cut into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 4 cloves of grated garlic, 1/4 cup of oil and 2 tablespoons of curry powder. Place a pot on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 20 seconds. Add onions, curry leaves and chilies. Give it a mix and cook it until the onions get a light brown color. While waiting for the onions to cook, drain the water from the potatoes and get it ready. My onions have a light brown color. Add potatoes, chickpeas, turmeric, curry powder, 1 tablespoon of salt and garlic. Give it a mix, put a lid on and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add hot water. The amount of hot water will depend on how thick or thin you want your gravy to be. Give it a mix, put a lid on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape and cook it for 20 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 20 minutes, add tomatoes, give it a mix, put the lid back on, leaving a small gap and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it twice during cooking. After 10 minutes, give it a mix and taste your salt. Add salt according to your taste. It doesn't need any more salt. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. My easy chickpea, potato and tomato curry is ready and you can serve it with roti, puri or rice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.